Hey guys, welcome back to Terraria with ultraquacky and Kody. So, on your first glance, you may notice something a little different. While we were offline, we decided to grind out some of these houses so that way we could access all the NPCs, but we figured building, getting all the blocks, grinding out the materials, you know, maybe a little mediocre to watch. So, we just did it off camera, and now we've got a lot of people. Now, Kody, what's our main goal for today?
Well, today, I believe we can murder the Eyeball McGee Man and the Giant Wormy Boy.
Ah, Giant Wormy Boy. Alright. I think we can manage that.
I'm in the desert, and it is sand.
Sand? Is it a sandstorm?
No, it's just sand.
Just sand.
You know how it is. Also some glass, apparently. That's pretty nice.
Nice. Yeah, so you can see I've still got all the building supplies and stuff in my inventory here. We'll sort this out real quick.
He failed to mention we also went to the ocean.
Yes, we also went to the ocean. We did some ocean things.
The Angler Boy.
Yes.
We murdered a bunch of sea creatures. And we didn't really get that much from it other than shark fins and these throwing stars.
Yeah, oh yeah, the little sea ninja throwing stars. These things are OP. So there must be a glitch. I don't know if the overhaul makes it this way or if it is a bug. I just really don't know. But with throwing items, you throw them, and then like with this item specifically, it throws 3, and there's a chance to drop, 3 of them. So I just threw one. I've got more. So how we're doing throwing items, Kody's obviously right now, he's the thrower class. He's really the only one who's going to be using these. While we were offline, we were just messing around with them.
And I'm mainly just going to be using Bard and healing items. It's just the Bard and healing items don't do like any damage, so I'm just having these as a backup maneuver. But it's about to be nighttime and I have myself 5 eyeballs.
Oh, shoot, I've got 5 lenses on me. I didn't know you were doing that.
Oh,
well, we'll kill all 5 of them.
Yep.
Got me another lamp.
I recall from last episode, but it may or may not have been summer yet. And now that it's summer, it's hotter, so we get debuffed basically at all times. And these beehives spawn everywhere.
Yeah, the beehives
and that's all I've noticed.
Yeah. Look at that.
Better get ready to rumble.
I am ready to rumble.
Healing potions?
Do you need, yeah, I've got healing potions. Do you need mana crystals?
No, I'm tapped.
I've got 3 of them, you sure? Or you've
I'm tapped.
Ah, nice. Alright. Let's go kill the eyeball man.
Yeah.
I can't manage to get in.
Be barded. Ultra, he's our man. If he can't murder, nobody can. Go Ultra.
Literally yelling at the enemy.
Woohoo! Maybe if I yell loud enough, it'll hurt him. Fear Ultra. Fear him.
I think long term, I need to get an item that attracts the enemy to me.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
So I can go full tank build and you can just be full support as well. Go on, buddy.
Don't worry about that. I'm a master at aiming this thing, don't worry about it.
The shield is so good.
Come here, buddy.
Let's go. Get that armor.
You may have noticed I crafted... No, I bought this item from Zombie Lord downstairs. It's really bad, I think.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be good. I think I was the one who recommended it.
You did indeed.
Get him. He's done it.
Wait, what?
I killed him twice. Wait, did you spawn another one?
Yeah, but
Oh, okay.
his corpse exploded twice on my screen, so...
Yeah, I find that's caused by my little bit of lag.
Yeah, wait,
I have to kill some enemies twice. That's alright. Yeah, I'm gonna get back over here. It looks like the lightning is still destroying our pad.
Yep. You know, we need some more lightning rods.
Crit is so good. This overhaul really does up Terraria a lot.
Oh, infinite amount.
Yeah. It's like beating vanilla Minecraft and enjoying it, and then moving up to mods. It's like you never go back. I haven't even used the potion yet, but let's go.
Yeah, you have the ultimate bard man over here.
Very.
Now, as you guys may have noticed, this guy's a lot easier to fight than last time.
Yep.
It's almost like we have armor.
Yeah.
Throwing stars.
Get over here.
It's gonna give you a back case of astigmatism, you bastard.
He's done.
Another one.
Another one. Keep moving.
Get here, buddy.
The armor, yes.
I am a dwarf and I'm digging a hole. Okay, I think we should pick on this guy. What do you do with astigmatism, right?
Pick at it. I'm gonna eat a potion now. After 3 IF
Took you long enough. I must be slapping or something. Here, have some parts. Ultra, he's our man. If he can't murder him, nobody can. Go Ultra.
3 times. There are so many.
Another one. Okay, I'm done sitting back. I'm strong without the healing items. I only have so long to murder him.
That's fair.
Where'd he go?
Honestly, we are melting it at this point.
Hey, this is rude. Highly offended that you do that to me, eyeball man.
Oh yeah, it doesn't use the crit unless you get it.
Yeah, this guy's visual prowess is off the charts. Final one.
No.
No. Hey, you're looking a little hurt there, buddy. You're about to be fine.
Appreciate it. That's so good, dude. It's such a quick heal.
Get supported. Ultra, he's our hero. He'll bring astigmatism down to 0.
Nice. The crit too, I've noticed, if you have crit on, it deflects, like, them rampaging at you.
Did not know that.
Yeah, I just realized
I'm
that.
perfect.
Probably just from some experience that I had fighting these. Let's go.
And my axe. Okay, so that was Eyeball McGee, guys. You literally stood no chance.
No chance. I gained potions fighting me.
I think he only used one the entire fight.
And I did.
There's an Eye of Cthulhu bag laying over here. No, it was mine. How many bags do you have?
5.
Yeah. So, show the viewers what you get from Cthulhu.
Boom. So I got these torn notes, Versity coin, paper tubes. Used to unlock. Must have tinkered about making it. I don't know what these do.
If you go to the shoe polisher guy, he'll have like random accessories just in his shop now. Go talk to him.
He at?
Bottom, he right below me.
Desmond. Shine my shoes.
Also,
He doesn't have anything.
no, maybe wrong guy.
Maybe he said Tinker, so maybe it was this guy, or maybe it goes for everybody. I don't know. No,
But
he doesn't have anyone. But onto the treasure bags. Boom, boom. So here we go. The loot from 5 Eye of Cthulhu's. I got a couple masks. Some of the shields. I already had one shield. Did we fight Eye of Cthulhu off camera? We did once, right?
yeah, he spawned at night.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
right. He normally spawned. Because I was like, we didn't spawn him and fight him.
No, we had to destroy him.
Yeah, so that's how I had that before the fight. But I now have one that gives me 3 defense. So I'm gonna put that bad boy on.
Excellent.
Crop seeds, a lot of demonite, and I got 2 music discs. Did you get any music discs?
I do not believe so.
What does these sell for? They sell for a gold.
All I have was a torn note 1.
I got 4 torn note ones.
Yep, I got one of them, so you should read off the description to audience.
Alright, torn note number 1. Legends say that an otherworldly amulet can be obtained by defeating a dungeon guardian. There's something else, but you couldn't read it, not without parts number 2 and number 3. Maybe the jeweler can help you.
Fascinating.
Maybe the jeweler can help you. I have for this line is.
Can't help but feel we need more houses.
Yeah. There we go. How many reversity coins did you get?
I would tell you, but I just quick deposited them all into a chest.
Fair.
Somewhere. I got 8 of them.
You got 8 of them, I got 18.
Okay, I feel like this is unbalanced.
I think it was because I was grabbing the immediate loot that he dropped when he dies.
Doesn't sound like you at all.
I was being a
we have a-
greedy boy.
You are a greedy boy. Do we have a pickaxe strong enough to mine through the corrupt?
No. We have to kill Worm Boy for that.
Do we have bombs in order to...
Let me look. Well, cause what was it to make the Worm Boy spawn?
We need corrupting powder, which you can only get during a blood moon from Druid.
Ah, you're right. It's gotta be a blood moon. Okay. Let me look at my bombs we got. Chat, tell me if we got any bombs. I miss them.
Why is there a palm tree in the desert?
Cause it's the desert. It's called an
Okay.
oasis.
Palm trees do not spawn in deserts.
No bombs.
Any way of making bombs? Like, what's the crafting recipe?
I was thinking about that. I don't know if you could even make. You know what? I could probably buy them. Hold on. Yeah, we
Yeah,
got
if
the
we had-
demolitions. We can just buy it.
If we had the demolitioner, yeah, you're right.
Do we not have them?
Nope,
Why? How do we not have them?
we don't have enough houses.
Bruh, there's so
Not my
many
wallet.
NPCs.
Hey, Mr. Painter, do you sell, Weird, the painter doesn't sell. Nope, the chef does not sell. Nope,
Is that just a status? A heavy sleeper.
you don't sell, you don't sell it. Weird. We could get a steel pickaxe that has 60 mining power instead of a platinum pickaxe that has 59.
That
that
might
exactly
be
enough?
the exact amount we need.
Well, I'm gonna go test this out.
Alright. I'm gonna smelt this thorium.
You do that.
Just kidding. We must need something else for it.
Health furnace, probably.
You might be right there. Thorium brick, thorium block.
Indeed. Oh good, now it's an actual sandstorm.
Terrible.
Beautiful. I don't see it conceivable that a vulture can fly in a sandstorm.
Here we go.
Oh, I'm giga overheated.
That's right, you gotta worry about the heat now. Does it ever,
Yeah.
have you ever seen that it hurt you?
No, I think it just slows your healing basically to a -2. Approximately.
Okay. Checking out this thorium stuff here. Let's see if there's anything cool I can make out of this. Blade. Got a much better blade. That I mined from the dirt.
Stop speaking to me or my son, ever.
Meteorites.
Yeah, that's a corrupted desert, almost to the actual corrupt.
Oh, thorium pack says 60. 60 pickaxe power and 60 axe power.
Well, it's not strong enough.
It's not.
Nope.
Alright. Boom.
Okay.
Well, since
There has to be a way.
need bombs.
Do we have the wire person? Because we do have 2 explosives.
That's very true. Let's see here. No, she comes after you beat Skeletron's dungeon.
Right.
Ducky boys. Got some ducks in our house, bro.
Yeah, invite them.
I don't know about you guys, but a man who lives here doesn't throw any stones.
What?
I love that, like, the overworld is just becoming an ocean.
Yep, me too. Especially since I flooded the ocean off screen. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it, guys. Get to see it eventually. You know what I'm gonna get in the meantime? I'm gonna get a net and capture some bees.
Wait, we can do the bees mod?
You can do the bees mod?
I'm ready.
Oh, bro, they got the bees mod?
Okay, well, I'm gonna do that thing where I talk to every NPC and hopes one of them has explosives.
I'm gonna travel the overworld and see if there's any pots I can break along with the bugs to capture.
Why are you trying to catch bees? That just sounds like an awful time.
Ooh, bait. I don't even know if you can catch one of these.
I mean, if you're able to use them as bait, then...
But it's the tiny ones up here that you can catch. Just kidding. Nope, you cannot do anything with bees. What is this?
It's hailing. It happens in the summer. Don't worry about it.
I didn't even think about that. You're right. Why is it hailing in summer?
I mean, I would explain it to you, but that sounds boring. And it's not like you'd retain the knowledge anyways.
Yes. How it is geographically possible. It's nowhere. We must be up north, so. Also, there's a bunch of bees hives underground.
As you do.
Get that out of here. I need more torches.
Yeah, you probably threw them all away like a fool.
I probably auto-stacked them all.
Sounds like something you would do.
It's pretty hot down here in this cave. What's the point? Got some platinum.
I've deduced that we have no NPCs that sell explosives.
If we get one more house up, I've got grenades in my inventory, and the one boy will spawn, the demolition expert, as long as they have explosives.
If we get one more house, you know what the chances
There will
are
be
that
a
one more
chance,
house
yes.
will be the house?
Or what we can do is
Yep.
spawn some type of enemy and kill a bunch of our NPCs. And then there will be a chance he could come.
Yeah, but I already have them all memorized in my head, William. Cucking me into the 50th dimension does not sound like a fun idea.
What is happening? It's so evil over here. It's corrupt.
Maybe we can craft vial powder. You okay over there?
Yep, almost got struck by lightning. No need to worry. Also,
How was it?
evil water. Anti-spicy water.
Anti-spicy water.
Yeah. This anti-spicy water is killing me. Okay, here we go.
You seem relatively fine.
Also, I think we did this off camera. Yeah. We got the Tinkerer Boy, and then we obviously did up our attachments as well. And I took the Cobalt, or the horseshoe back from Kody.
Yeah, he robbed me
Just died.
in my sleep.
Yes, absolutely.
He said something like, "I'm the protagonist, blah blah blah, and you obey me." He's laughing because it's true.
Absolutely. I love the idea. Wait, hold on. There is snow riddled throughout this desert.
Yeah. That's how
This is
global
how
warming works.
So global warming works.
It is. Global warming increases the extremes on both sides.
Hmm? You might not be wrong there.
I know I'm not.
A lot of bandlines. I love. Oh yeah, it did get so hot it turned some of the sand into glass too.
Yeah, no. I almost got struck by lightning.
Yep. Me too.
In a snowstorm.
Yep. I got an umbrella hat. Oh, there's a pot down there. That's right, boys. We in search of a pot today.
Yeah.
Pot. Good meme.
Of the clay variety, or
The clay variety, of course. 'Cause that's where bombs come in.
you didn't even travel to the cool side of the world.
You mean the right side? Goodbye, bunny.
Cool side is the side that I flooded.
Oh yeah, that's right.
This is the lame side. I didn't even flood this one yet.
I'm going down here. So down here. Keep it altered.
Sleepy boy is sleepy.
Sleepy boy is sleepy. I don't know why I can't stop yawning today. boy.
The bee attacked me, lit on fire, and lit everything around me on fire.
That's amazing.
Yeah, there's a lot of things in Skeletron's dungeon, maybe. You wanna fight Skeletron?
Do you think we could take him?
I have no idea what we can or cannot do.
We can give it a shot to gauge how close we are to him.
It's gonna end badly.
Absolutely whooping.
If we beat him,
is not a slow and insidious killer.
overconfidence is a slow and insidious killer, yes. Okay, get over here, it's supposed to be nighttime.
Yeah, I'm coming. Also, I found a chest underground, so it's cool.
Cool, cool, did that bounce?
Nope,
Okay, you're a failure.
not as cool. I would have mentioned it earlier if it had bumps. Ah yes, the force is on fire. Does nothing to
alright.
stop it. Yum yum yum. Get rid of these.
No, I'm trying to heal you up. Can you? M for mana, no?
No, you gotta set it to W for Wumbo.
Did I hear you correctly?
That's some good heals right there, bro. Who needs a battle stadium to fight Skeletron?
No one. Come back at night if you wish to enter. There cannot be summoned under the light of day. I don't. Do you see the light of day anywhere?
I was gonna say, there's so much light here. I'm almost blinded by it. Okay. Kody.
Yeah, yeah.
Fate to me, darn it. Nope.
Why
he's
were you-
instantly dead?
So far away from me.
That was tricked. I'm definitely.
So, back to the point. We stood no chance. Just go in this dungeon, get some bombs.
It's literally what I'm trying to do. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, I wonder where we went wrong.
Yo, I have
Okay.
41 gold on me.
Well, you want to go to hell? What, you had 51 gold on you?
41.
Did you sell all of your Demerite?
No. No, but I did sell, I had all those torn notes. They're all the same exact thing. They all stacked.
No. Huh?
And I kept one. I'll follow
I
you.
don't have my... Yeah, I'm dead, probably.
Oh.
Yeah, my
Didn't
hook's not on me.
bounce.
I
Your
don't know where it
hook
went.
Stack.
You know, quick stacks. I don't know how I would have done it. I get my 9 gold and 4 silver I had on me. Well, if we go to hell, we might find bombs. I'll meet you there.
Alright, I'm mining down this path to correct it.
I recommend that greatly.
Get out of here, bat. Get out of here. Shellfish.
That's very nice. What a bat has feelings, right?
Nah. You want to have feelings after I murder him. Yeah, he's dead now.
Sick.
Just watch an iron golem dive in the lava.
Iron Golem. There's my glow sticks. I'm coming.
You're probably gonna die. Maybe I
better
can
not.
make it to this water. I think you're gonna die.
Why would I?
Okay, you can fall.
Hey, can you murder this thing?
Yeah.
Also, that would not have saved me.
I know, I realized that as soon as I said it.
It hasn't even gotten close.
This way.
Yeah, that can't get us from underwater.
Ha.
Freaking baka. Yeah.
He's gonna keep following us. If you just constantly push out hearts, can I breathe underwater?
No. Hey, I think the path's crooked now.
No, it's not. This is the fix. Trust me.
Yeah. I don't trust you a day in my life, but guess oh great, the bats messed up our
Lava.
who? Shelly. Giant Shelly.
Jelly.
Yeah. Okay. Like I'd like to see, sirs. Okay. I'm falling. Please don't be lava. Where did all the water go?
I think it got sizzled out for the lava.
Oh. You fall into a straight path and I'll drop water down. Brick.
Alright. Am I continuing the elevator in the same place?
Of course, we're going to hell.
Yeah, you're dropping water. Ooh.
Might be a moment.
Or you know what we need to continue?
What?
We need bombs.
No, come on. What pick do you have?
Platinum.
Well, I have a steel one. Let's...
So you can try that, it's 1 more percent.
It has to be 1 more percent for a reason. Come on.
For a reason, yes, I agree.
Like, Mantis decided to make this.
I bet you it was
I
made
have,
just for obsidian.
I have 3 bombs.
Oh, also we have uncovered like 4 houses.
Oh.
Just kidding, it's 1? It's just real weird.
Okay. Explain.
Got a chest in it, platinum bars.
Any bombs?
Nope.
Failure.
Oh, I just have 3 bombs though. Oh, they got the jellyfish statue.
Hey, wasn't Earth Golem murdering me?
Where you at?
Don't worry about it. I can take the problem, maybe.
Killing jellies. Left and right, get them out of here.
No, that's a personal attack. Yeah, I think he messed up. Okay, this is not the obsidian mining pickaxe. Well, are you sure you don't have any bombs?
I've got 3.
No, that's not enough. Why did you leave the flare gun here?
So I'm never gonna use it.
Yeah, but they sell for 1 gold.
Do they?
Yeah,
A lot of gold.
literally 1. The smallest amount of gold you can have.
For a flare gun, I mean, that's a lot of money for a flare gun.
There was a pot there, murder it. Well,
For now.
let's mine directly into lava.
Yes.
You see some gems over there. Hey,
Close to hell.
Demon Man's here.
Demon Man is no longer here.
Oh.
There's a lot of rumble.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Also,
I
we're
know
gonna
I'm
spill
up.
this lava.
Yeah, that's why I'm mining it this way. So there would be no we
Also,
about
there
it.
is a sea of lava.
Well,
On the mine straight down.
Yeah, let's not do that one. What do you... What's your plan?
My plan...
Because I think I know it.
Go right
To
here.
murder us? And drop a bomb. Yeah, no, we can't. Can't do what I thought we could do.
No.
Come back this way, my friend.
I've got an idea.
Oh, good. We're dead. Dead for certain.
Do not doubt.
Oh, I'm not doubting. I know for certain. We're dead for certain.
Okay, plan A worked beautifully. Oh god, now there's flaming.
There's fire everywhere.
Help. He's done. Nice.
There's a minecart. You're right. You're a genius. If we just take the minecart, we've won for certain.
Okay.
Okay.
I only have.
Mm-hmm.
I have like the perfect amount of bombs to do this the right way. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Roll down there. Okay. Total and utter failure.
Yes, you are. Don't mind me.
Screaming for his life. Get me off of my foot. You're gonna die.
Never.
You just throw 2 bombs?
Yeah, don't mind me. What?
Well, couldn't put the fire up, guys.
You know what we say? You can't make money without spending it.
Make money without spending money.
Hey, thinking with 6 bombs, can't we just continue to elevator? No.
No kidding.
Good question.
Do you have any more bombs left?
No.
Okay. Yeah, well. Let's see if there's any vertical direction we can take this. We'll find another dungeon though. It's half burnt down. Well now.
Well, if we just find an explosive specialist down there. Is that possible?
No, unfortunately. I'm gonna mine over to this house, see if we can get some more bombs. Because if we can get like 6 to 8 bombs, we could probably finagle our way into Wormboy. Okay, stop. You are a bad person. Okay, Shelly is a real danger. You are no danger.
Yeah, how could she a danger if she's dead? What an idiot, am I right, guys?
No. Satan person is a danger because she's still alive.
Not today,
She
Satan.
won't go away. I literally cannot kill her because she's on lava. Go away.
Jump in the lava.
Enemies that teleport are the most annoying things in all of Terraria.
Correct. That's why they added so many more in hard mode.
Fair. I don't even care that I jumped in lava.
You did not. I think you're dead, by the way.
Nope. I'm good. Even though I'm
find
surrounded
water?
by cave vents. Y'all. What did you say, Kody?
So did you find water?
No.
Then why wouldn't it put me out?
That's the real question. It totally put me out. I had a timer and everything. It was only 5 seconds.
It's because I was very hot.
Ah, see, I don't think I was hot at all. I just got a little hot.
Yeah, you're right. You aren't hot at all.
Oh, no, he's done it to me. Well, you gotta do it to me.
Yeah, it's a ligma, you know?
You got me so good with Ligma when it first came out. I hadn't even opened up my phone or seen any of the Ligma memes that day.
It was like a month old.
Dude, I don't know how I avoided... Bruh! Tim just spawned on the lava. This is so annoying.
Who?
Tim, he's a special monster. I'm not gonna be able to do this.
You're not incorrect. Tem is a very special monster, but I don't know if you meant to do that, but you literally read basically line for line what happens when you find Tem.
Really?
Hoy, I'm Temmy.
Well, I dropped him into lava. No, he's dead.
No.
I didn't mean to.
Not Tem.
Yo, his head's still here. Okay, boys, we gotta extract it from the lava. Oh, he's so close.
Is this what happens when I leave you to do something productive?
Okay, alright, I think. We'll see. 3, 2. Okay, we're still on fire. 1.
Negative 50.
Oh, and I'm
Negative 100.
Well, we got the wizard's hat.
Now, why does that matter, other than to lower our chances of getting the demolitionist?
What do you mean lowering our chances to get the demolitions?
Isn't there like a wizard NPC?
No, he's not an NPC, he was an enemy.
Yeah, I know, but...
No, that's
You know,
not gonna
wizard
spawn
hat.
a wizard NPC from him. Did I not get the... Bruh! I must have picked something else up. Well, I'm going back now.
Truly.
I want to get to that house anyways.
Yeah, let's not stop tailing. There's so much water up here.
Nice. If you can drop more
Like-
water down the elevator, bro.
How are we supposed to get past obsidian for 1? And then for 2, how are we supposed to get past obsidian?
How are you? Who's it? What's it now?
I don't like you right now.
What do you mean? I didn't hear you.
When I edit this video, if I can hear me...
No, I set myself on fire again.
He's truly a master.
Said I don't like you right now. Yo, Tim's hat's still there, bro. I'm getting it. So we get all this stuff out of the way. Apparently I can stand right here without an issue.
Sounds like you. Feels like you.
He's
Must be.
done it. I love the triples.
I love lighting a jellyfish on fire underwater.
Ah, yes. It's just the small things in life, you know.
Ain't that the damn truth?
What is that? A flaming Shelly with 2 HP just came spewing up a mine shaft like a freaking geyser. Crashed into a wall and died.
That was me. Don't worry about it. You know, she just got on my nerves, so I murdered her. It's a double death.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a very potent desert. Every time I come here, there's a new palm tree.
Really?
Yeah.
Must be full of water.
That's what deserts are known for.
Okay, there's like a bunch of raging bulls over here.
And that's a problem for who?
Yeah, I got a magic mirror.
Took you long enough.
2 featherfall potions, a hunter potion, 17 more torches.
Yeah, but how many bombs?
0.
Oh. Back to the bomb hunt.
Yep. What are these raging minotaurs? They have so much HP. And there's like 700 of them. It's a good thing I'm scumming the crap out of this fight.
Maybe drop something cool.
Hopefully they do, because there's 6 of them.
Wait, there's 6 of them?
Yeah.
They have that much
more.
HP.
There's a lot of them. They each have 800 HP, and I've been hitting them now for probably 30 seconds, and they're only down to 550.
That's rough.
A lot of defense.
I got 12 bombs, oh my god.
Let's go. How do you do it?
I went inside a desert biome.
Ah, yes, the ultimate way to get bombs.
Yeah, it's the same way I mined up this new sword for you.
Yes, beautiful. They drop
Does 15 melee damage and attacks very fast. That sounds pretty cool.
Wait, you got another one?
Yeah, I mean, it's different, but yeah, I mined it up for you. Like you do with all swords.
Yo! That's what this is.
Yo!
Yo! Like the kid. So
Yeah,
they
like
have a
the kid.
pressure plate set up to this Minotaur statue. And I accidentally pressed the pressure plate once and spawned one.
Oh.
And then inside where
more.
they were walking, yeah, they kept spawning themselves. Bro, so I'm taking this statue though. They don't drop anything when you kill them. Which, I mean, makes sense because you can spawn an infinite amount of them, but...
I found 2 heart crystals for you.
Nice.
I have a wormhole potion, so would you like to recall and run to corrupt?
Yes. Give me 1 moment. There's another house.
I already beat you to the bombs. Accept your defeat.
There's a chesty boy.
Now what I say about greed.
It is
Deadly Sun.
the ultimate resource.
Don't think that's what I say.
These stupid ropes out of here. I also have 8 bombs.
Well, I have a star statue, so take that.
Oh no, he's got me.
Yep. It's objectively better than you.
Enchanted armor. Got another book of that.
Oh yeah, so you can keep it in your inventory, tell me to go get it, mute yourself, tell the audience you have it in your inventory.
What happened to our door?
I don't know, the water probably got it.
That's not how that works at all.
Are you sure? I'm a carpenter, I'm pretty sure I know what doors are.
I'm a carpenter. I'm pretty sure I know how this works. Oh, I thought that was you! A mudman just dropped down here into my bomb.
Wow! See, back to the conversation of him thinking I'm worthless. He really thinks I'm a mudman.
Oh, that spawned the... Kody!
Don't worry, I'm healing myself, which might be healing you.
Bro, it is. Go. This is like the ultimate fight. I have to like get up. I have to say I am absolutely wrecking this boy though. But I'm not killing him down here. I'm bringing him up to you. I can do it. I can totally do it. It's the ultimate. The best worm fight of all time. Jesus, Kody, you're almost dead.
Yep, don't mind me.
What happened?
You know,
I got you.
I'm a support class.
No! You won't dare
Ultra,
kill my buddy
Ultra.
like that.
Wait, where's my connection? Yeah. Ultra, he's our man. If he won't slay him, nobody can go Ultra. Woohoo!
God.
The U in ultraquacky stands for United.
That is the lamest shit.
Stands for we unite all of the advantages on one person.
Now there you go. Make one
coming.
I am surprisingly just kind of standing here tanking this battle.
Is this healing you?
Yes it is. Totally is. It's so cheap. At least I think so.
I can't tell. But
I'm definitely gaining HP. Could just be because I'm killing segments of them though.
no, because I stopped healing you, I seen your HP wasn't as consistently going up.
Oh. I honestly... The Eater of Souls are messing with me more than anything else. Also,
they're so strong.
The Eater of Worlds is like glitching through the earth right now.
Yeah, he does that. Don't mind him.
What is happening? My screen is actually violently shaking. What is actually happening right now?
That? Think about it now.
There is so much going on, I can't even think straight.
Whatever's happening must be intense because I keep losing connection.
It is intense. My whole screen.
My leg!
Die.
You're full HP.
Die. So close. There's so little of him. Kody, I can't wait for you to watch this back. What is actually happening? Oh, Lord, I can barely see anything. My screen is shaking.
You know, you might be able to disable that an option.
I don't know if this is something you can necessarily disable, because I don't know if this is something that is at all even intended. This is clearly just a bug.
Nah, it was intended.
Oh my god, the Eater of Souls are so annoying. They are everywhere.
Yeah, that's how I died before you even got up there.
Bring it on, Wormy boy. Where you at? There's so little of him left, but he's like...
You found who dis.
Ancient Reeves, bro.
I'm coming.
It's okay.
How are you at full HP?
There's like 3 segments of him left. Literally. I just can't hit him. That's the only thing.
Don't worry, I'm coming. I'll be able to hit him for certain.
There are a lot of mobs. There we go, he's dead.
We've done it. Teamwork prevailed.
Yes. Tour note number 2, let's go. Make sure to get your treasure back. I'll stand by it.
There is so many Eaters of Souls. There's something here.
It was right here.
I guess I don't get one.
Ripper boy, maybe because he died on the fight. I don't know, look around. He was glitching everywhere, so Lord knows. But he died definitely to the left of this hole.
There's shadow scales down here that I can't pick up.
There's reversity coins over here, so maybe over here counts.
Maybe it's just because I wasn't here when he died.
Yeah. To be fair, I didn't have much control on the exact moment that he died. Looking back at that.
Oh, we have defeated another worm monster. Who would the next boss be?
Probably some jungle boss. I mean, we could gear up for Skeletron, but the next main thing we need to do is take another big mining trip into the jungle. I see.
Jungle.
Yeah. But for now, let's get on out of here.
Oh yeah, just leave me. Leave back here.
Goodbye.
What happened to our door?
That's what I said. This is Ash, so I'm pretty sure it got struck by lightning.
Yeah, why is an innocent here?
No idea.
Burn.
Let's see what we got from that, boys. Boom. Eater of
Yeah,
Pain.
I suck.
Life recovery. Well, that's for you. And then this. You have to wear this. Take that off for now. I'm just gonna keep that in my inventory. But this spiked worm scarf, it's been considered by multiple people as the best item in all of Terraria. You only get it on hard mode when you defeat the worm boy, but just a flat 17% damage reduction off of every single source of damage. Considered the best armor, the best whatever you even want to call it. Yo, 7% increased melee speed. Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So I need shadow scale armor, I think would be in my benefit.
I think I need better armor.
Yes, shadow scale armor is definitely for me. Do you have meteorite armor? No,
Sorry, what?
You have ninja armor, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have 30 defense. It's like... Oh. Lost connection. Anyways,
Rip the boy.
I have 30 defense. How much defense do you have?
32. So you're not too far behind me.
Well, but I was. If you didn't watch that fight. He one-shot me, you know?
Yeah.
I think it's because you have, like, that bonus shielding, maybe?
I have no clue.
I don't know. Maybe I'll be a healer bard summoner. How more support are you gotta get?
I was gonna say summoner would be pretty cool too. You could stack it on top. The ultimate support.
I can focus only on healing you.
Yeet. There you go.
We have that cool summoner item in the chest down here.
That's very true. There's that for you, if you want it.
Yeah. I think I'm losing connection. But... No, wait, no. See, I would want this, but it's literally not better.
Look how fast my swing is now. That's OP.
Oh, lost connection. I think,
Alright, well, I think it is, that kills the supplements, right? No, that works with the supplements. Well, I think that'll be it for the episode then. We killed our two bosses. Rocked them out of the way. Got the Eater of Souls banner. Nah, that's not good over here. Pain, all that good stuff. Well, we'll end it off on Torn Note number 2, and next episode we'll come back in search of Torn Note number 3. So, Torn Note number 2. It is not well known. Actually, give me number 1 first. Let's see if it's direct continuation here.
very organized.
Legends say that an otherworldly amulet can be attained by defeating a dungeon guardian. It is not well known, but the Wing of the World allows you to make ego equipment. The Wing of the World is which is unique in its own way. If the Wing of the World is placed in empty housing, it can attract a special NPC called Operator. And if you are wondering what ego stands for, then here it is. Extermination of Geometrical Organ. There's something else, but you couldn't read it. Not without part 1 and 3. Maybe the jeweler can help you. Alright, so we need part 3. That's for next time. Oh, big blueprints. Alright. Thank you for joining us. Joining me and Kody here. You guys keep on quacking on.